How's it going, everybody? Halim here from Village Food Tours. As always, thank you for watching. I am here in Melbourne, Florida at Celo Shawarma Factory. So, met the owner in here, talked with him for a little bit. They're gonna make us a whole bunch of awesome, tasty food to check out. The owner, he is from Egypt, him and his dad. It's a family-owned, small, it's not a chain, small locally owned spot. He's from Egypt. His dad actually spent some time in Italy. They moved there with his family, I believe military, and he taught himself how to make like Italian food. They used to have a restaurant down the road, and prior to the pandemic, they set up shop here. So it's a really cool, awesome spot. I am looking forward to trying some awesome shawarma. If you don't know what the shawarma is, it's kind of like a, how do I describe it? Like a Middle Eastern barbecue, so to say. Same thing as like the Mexican al pastor tacos. They take the meat, the chicken, the pork, whatever meat they're using, lamb. It's all marinated and they layer it, and then you have the thing that goes around and cooks it, and as it's cooking it, you can come up, peel it, cut pieces off, and it's just absolutely yum. How's it going, everybody? Halim here, and I am with my boy Ayman.
Yes, sir.
Yep, and we are at his wonderful establishment. I don't know if we're going to call him the proprietor or the man behind all of it at Celo's Shawarmas. Did I say shawarma? Shawarma. Yes. I'm gonna get it right. So he's gonna tell you he's locally family-owned place. They're here in Melbourne. Is it Melbourne or Suntry here?
It's Melbourne.
It's that confusing Brevard County where it's like, yeah, they just label some area and yeah. So we're here in Melbourne, and he's gonna tell you about his place.
Yeah, man. Like I said, it's called Celo Shawarma Factory. We've been open almost about a year. This is our third local restaurant. Started in Palm Bay. We were in Suntry, technically just up the road a few miles, Alexandria Grill, for other people that visited us there for about 10 years. We started a new concept. It's fast casual, Mediterranean food, or Med Eastern is what I'm trying to be known as. Happy to be open to the public and really put ourselves out there, and for you guys to try some really good, authentic, family style Mediterranean food.
So what's your family story?
So yeah, my dad is from Egypt, but we've kind of been in Brevard. We're Brevardians. We've been here since 1990.
That's
in
as Brevard as you can get.
I mean, we've seen this town grow from nothing to where we're at today. And we want to be part of the growth, and we feel that Mediterranean food is rising in town and growing, and we want to be part of that because we've been here a long time, and I think people need to know more about us.
And what are your hours?
Hours, we're open from 11 to 8, Monday through Saturdays, closed Sundays currently.
And then take a lunch break right now?
We do take a lunch break. We're working on some staffing issues to not be closed anymore in those hours, but currently, yeah, we do take a lunch break.
And it's fast casual, so you come in, grab your food, order it off the menu, right? You got your style, you can pick your meat,
Yeah, you pick your toppings. It's very similar to like a Mediterranean version of Chipotle. You know? So you're gonna pick your toppings and your base and your proteins and sauces. Or we do have a signature menu with kind of the go-tos, the hits.
Awesome. And so you hooked me up with some food. What do you have for me?
Yeah, today we got the chicken kebab platter. So that's just a Mediterranean breast that's served with some hummus and tabbouleh. That's kind of just a traditional Mediterranean platter, very basic. You got some veggies and some sides there. You got the chicken shawarma sandwich. That's the staple here. I mean, we do gyros and other sandwiches, but that's the go-to. That's what we want to be known for.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to all of this. All right, well, this is my boy. Check him out in Melbourne. I'll make sure to leave all the details, information, where you can find them, and all that good stuff down below.
Thanks for coming.
And I'm about to dig into this food, so follow along. All right, guys, so I finally got my food. Actually, I've had it here for a while. We were talking for some time, so I have got the awesome chicken, which I already dug into. Got some tabbouleh, some hummus. Then we have our chicken shawarma. So I am gonna dig into this first because I have been wanting to try it. So you got the pita, all the vegetables, all the gooey yumminess, and all the awesomeness. Let's give it a bite. really awesome. It's got that smoke. Very, very flavorful. And then you got the vegetables in there with, I believe it's some tzatziki, or it might just be garlic sauce. I think a pickle too. There's a pickle. That's yummy. That's yummy. And then I'm gonna try this chicken, which I already had a piece earlier. Just trying it out, but just look at it. Big old chunky, meaty, flavorful. It's got like a little tang to it, but not overbearing. Herby, garlicky, very tender, very juicy. Pretty wow. Then I've got my horchata, strawberry, which is rice milk kind of thing. So you get that creaminess without lactose. And then we've got some of their veggies. I'm gonna try these bad boys. Got some zucchini, some peppers. Nice grill. Now, I think this is a cucumber salad all the time. So tabbouleh, if you think about it, it's like I'm gonna mix it with a pita, and it's just yummy. So good. Let's see if this is their coffee. That's their garlic sauce. Garlic sauce. French fry. So, everything absolutely amazing. Quick, really affordable, quick spot if you're in Vieira, Melbourne area. It's right off of the main road when you get off of 195 towards the last Vieira exit. Check them out. Celo's Shawarma Factory. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I will catch you next time. Cheers.